Hi, I'm Bernie Pawlik from Pawlik Automotive. We're going to talk about the B service that we do on our vehicles. This particular vehicle, 2013 BMW X3, due for a B service. So what's involved in a B service? This car had a couple of issues. One of them, there was a warning light for the EDC system. So that is something we at least note, and if the client wants to do further diagnostic, we can do that. But any items that we find, any warning lights, etc., we will note on the inspection form. An important part of this inspection is a detailed road test. So our technician will drive the vehicle, road test it, see how the vehicle feels, if there are any issues. Next is a visual under hood and then under vehicle inspection. So the vehicle goes up on the hoist. Where we look at the vehicle, we look at the steering suspension, we inspect the tires. We do a full wheel off brake inspection with measurements of the brake pads and the brake rotors. Tire pressures are adjusted to factory specifications. On this BMW, there are different size wheels and tires from front to back, so rotation is not possible, but if the vehicle requires it, that is included with a B service. Tire tread depth is measured to ensure your tires are in good condition. In this case, we remove the corrosion from the wheel hubs as that ensures proper wheel fit on the vehicle. An under hood inspection is performed. As part of the B service, we lubricate your door locks, hinges, and latches, as well as the hood and tailgate. Here we can look at the vehicle fluids, visually inspect the belts, look for oil leaks, fluid leaks, coolant leaks. We test the antifreeze for proper concentration so you can count on your vehicle when the weather gets cold. We run a test on the battery, record the results, take a picture of it, and include that on the inspection for you. Next, we inspect the air filter, and we look through your maintenance schedule to see if there's anything due for maintenance service. Everything's recorded in our auto serve inspection. The oil filter is replaced, engine oil is drained and refilled. Fluids under the vehicle are inspected. When the inspection is complete, we'll send it to you by text message or email. You can review it, and we'll have a discussion on what needs to be done on the vehicle, if anything, and the costs. Just remember, a B service is key to a long and happy vehicle life. Thanks for watching our video.